M&Q's been around since the late 50s. It was started by a couple engineers named Mangus and Quinn, and they were able to extrude nylon tubing in a way that was commercially viable. It started out with industrial and commercial applications, and by the 70s it evolved into food packaging. By the very nature of some of these extrusions, they've been able to dial oxygen barrier, moisture barrier, sealability, and durability into these packages. Today, M&Q is the #1 provider of high temperature packaging in the industry. Through a variety or a number of extrusion lines that we have at M&Q Packaging, including the latest technology in co-extruded films, we're able to blow tubing that will differentiate our products from any other traditional barrier product in the market today. We've come up with a brand name we call Yield Master, because in fact that's exactly what it delivers to the processor. We give increased yields, whether it's retention of moisture, whether it's reduction in scrap, whether it's maintaining the weight of the product at the processor level. We can deliver either sheared casings, tubing, heat-sealed bags. We can even print these products. They come in a variety of colors, and we put all sorts of different seal configurations so that the bags or the casings can be shaped to the particular natural shape of the meat. So our processors are loving it. In today's industry, total weight retention is what brings margin to the processing industry, and in our barrier packaging, what goes in the bag stays in the bag. This is one of the newest things that we're working on at M&Q. We've come up with a way of creating a vent package that will open up at the precise time needed to allow the built-up steam to escape from the package, enhancing browning and delivering an aesthetically pleasing meal to the dinner table. Our unique materials not only open at the precise doneness, but they also allow the consumer to control when that bag is vented. For 20 years now, there's been cook-in products on the market. We all know them. We've used them. All the processors have been involved in them. They've been a very successful addition to the industry. But those materials are made out of traditional plastics, and traditional plastics are going to melt in the 200 to 250 degree range, so they need to be cooked slow and in water. M&Q's technology allows us to dry cook products in a traditional oven up to 400 degrees. The bottom line is we understand where the market needs to go, and that our meat processors can't afford to spend more money to offer these value-added products to the supermarkets, the groceries, and ultimately the consumer. So M&Q's products have been competitively priced to offer the integrity of barrier, the heat sealability of hermetic sealing, the value add of 400 degree cooking, the ability to release from the meat, carry the products all the way through the cycle, give the safety needed to keep human hands from the meat during the processing, distribution, or cook cycle. And we've made sure that our products stay competitive with the traditional barrier bags being used today.